The builder has been assigned. We've now bought the property. We've decided we're going to have the kitchen wall knocked out. We're going to have a brand new kitchen put in, all new appliances. Knocking the wall out means we can put an island in the kitchen. That'll give us a lot more room. I mean, it was a small galley kitchen, that's going. We're going to have the place tiled throughout, inside, outside, all one colour. We've gone with a grey colour, so fingers crossed that looks okay. New bathroom. We're pulling out the 15-year-old bath and all of the sanitary ware. We're having a walk-in rain shower. I think in this kind of temperature, a shower is far more usable than a bathroom. It's for us, so that's what we're opting for. And we've decided to get rid of the headboards and have feature walls in the bedrooms in tiling. So we're going to have tiled walls. Now, it's something I've never seen before, but when we spoke with the builder, he came up with the idea of it, and it certainly sounds very good. So fingers crossed that that comes out okay. We're using a local company to do the kitchen, a company called Kitchens Plus One. They came recommended. Impeccable work standard. We've seen their work. And we're using a fairly local builder. He's not done work on a Hacienda Riquelme before, so it's going to be interesting to see how he gets on. But we have seen lots of his work, and again, he came recommended, and the company name is just fantastic. Tubs, Bogs and Boilers. He does bathrooms, but he also does tiling, and he does building work. So we're having the whole apartment redecorated throughout, inside and out. I know it's only painting it white, but even so, it means we can arrive when the job is done to everything being complete. So yeah, fingers crossed that this goes okay. That really does look beautiful. If you want to see how the apartment refurb goes, watch the vlog. There should be, fingers crossed, a video going up showing the process from start to finish, and I will enjoy watching that from the UK as much as you will.